Hello class 6. Let's revise lesson number 5, minerals. What are minerals? Mineral, a substance which is found in earth's crust and which is having definite chemical composition. That is called what? Mineral. Minerals, they are of two types, metallic and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are those which contain metal. Metallic minerals, and non-metallic minerals are those which do not contain metal. Then minerals, how are they found? They are found in the earth's crust, but how we get minerals in ore, iron ore, copper ore. How do they look? What is this? This is iron ore. Iron ore, from this rock only, from this ore only we get iron. Okay. And this is what? This is copper ore. This is copper ore, and from this only we get copper. They are found in rocks after mining. Okay. This is what? This is open cast mining. This is a view of open cast mining. After mining only we get minerals. Minerals, how do we get minerals? From ores only we get minerals. Minerals are usually found in ore form. Minerals are usually found in ore form, and ore is an aggregate. Aggregate means to collect together, and ore is an aggregate of minerals usually found in the rocks. Usually minerals ores are found in the rocks. From these ores, metals are separated. Metals are separated by heating or melting. Now, conventional and non-conventional energy resources. Conventional energy resources, non-renewable energy resources. Non-renewable, which cannot be renewed. They are called conventional. And their examples are coal, petroleum. Okay, they cannot be renewed. For renewing them, millions of years are needed. Okay, now non-conventional energy resources. Non-conventional means renewable, which can be renewed, like solar energy, wind energy. Okay, but I suggest students not to write air energy. Please write wind energy. Metallic minerals, they are divided in two categories, ferrous and non-ferrous. Ferrous, what is ferrous? Ferrous minerals like iron ore, manganese and chromites contain iron. They are called ferrous. And non-ferrous, a non-ferrous minerals does not contain iron but may contain some other metal such as gold, silver, copper or lead. What is alloy? Alloy is a mixture of a metal with one or more other elements. Bauxite is an ore of aluminium. Bauxite is an ore of aluminium. Some questions were there in this chapter. Students have not written clear answer of these questions. Okay, first, from long answer type question, minerals are an indispensable part of our lives. Analyze the statement. Minerals, here you have to tell the importance of minerals. Are indispensable, essential. which cannot be separated, from our lives. What is this? This is mineral. So we have to tell the importance of minerals. Okay. In this question, you need to write from page number 73. See, on page number 73, you will write from here, minerals. Minerals are an indispensable part of our lives. Almost everything we use, from a tiny pin to a towering buildings or a big ship, all are made from minerals. The railway lines and the tarmac paving of the roads are implements and machinery too are made from minerals. Car, buses, trains, aeroplanes are manufactured from minerals and run on power resources derived from minerals. Even the food that we eat contains minerals. Till here you will write. Till here. Okay. Then only your answer will be completed. Now, some more questions are there from short answers type question. This, which mineral is known as liquid gold? Petroleum. Petroleum is known as liquid gold. Name any two mineral oil producing states of India, Assam and Gujarat. Two mineral oil producing states of India. 8th question, name any two non-conventional source of energy. Non-conventional source of energy. It means renewable. Non-conventional, renewable. Solar and wind. Write any two major producers of iron ore in the world. Major producers of iron ore. Okay. Here you will write Russia and Ukraine. 10th, name any two major producers of aluminium in India. Name any two major producers of aluminium in India, Odisha and Madhya Pradesh. 11th question, name the state which is the largest producer of iron ore in India. Odisha. Odisha is the largest producer of iron ore in India. Name any two copper mines of India. Hazaribagh, which is in Jharkhand. Khetri is in Rajasthan. What are metallic minerals? Minerals which are obtained from metals. Okay. Or which contain metals, they are called metallic minerals. And what are non-metallic minerals? Minerals which do not contain metals. Minerals which do not contain metals, they are called non-metallic minerals. Why copper is used for making radiators? Because copper is a good conductor of heat. So it is used to make radiators. Name a mineral which is used for making iron and steel. Name a mineral which is used for making iron and steel. For making iron and steel, which ore is needed? Manganese. Right? Manganese. Mention any two uses of gold. See, from here you will write answer. Page number 81. Gold. Gold is used in manufacture coin, medal, jewelry, etc. First use. Second use, it remained as a medium of exchange for a long period of time. Okay, this will be second use. It remained as a medium of exchange for a long period of time. This will be your second use of gold. Name the country which is the leading producer of silver. That is Mexico. Mexico is the leading producer of silver in the world. Which is known as international currency? Gold. Gold is known as international currency. It is a which is a basic input in cement industry. Basic input in cement industry, limestone. Used for making ornaments, gold and silver. It is made up of series of plates or leaves, mica. That's all for the day. Do well in exam. Best of luck. Thank you.